amount of pesticides, carbohydrates, calories, sugar, salts, etc. Let us see what the WHO has to say. There are 5 lifestyle diseases which are associated with obesity: the type 2 diabetes, the heart diseases, high blood pressure, stroke, and certain forms of cancer also. Obesity increases the risk for all these diseases and it has become a global epidemic. Also, let me tell you friends, every fourth Indian is a diabetic. So, what is the solution? The solution is welcome to Herbalife. Herbalife products are scientifically designed. They provide balanced nutrition. They are 100% vegetarian products and are convenient to make and to have. They have a great taste. Herbalife products work exactly opposite. They bring down the excess of salt, sugar, fats, calories and carbohydrates, and they give you vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber and water. Many doctors, PhD scientists from all around the world work globally to bring you the best products. To mention a few, let me introduce you to the person in the first slide. He is Dr. David Hiba. He is the chairman of Nutrition and Scientific Advisory Board. The second person, Dr. Louis Ignarro, has a yellow symbol attached to his name. That symbol is no ordinary symbol, my friends. It is a Nobel laureate he got in 1998 in medicine. Now all these doctors which we are talking about, they are from abroad, where the eating habits are slightly different. In India, we eat a lot of sugar. Every other day we are having some functions or the festivals. So from our country, we have Dr. Anup Mishra. He is the director and head of department of diabetes and metabolic diseases. He has been awarded as Padma Shri from the President of India, Dr. B.C. Roy Award, which is the highest award for medical science in India, has been awarded to Dr. Anup Mishra. He has personally served as a physician for 2 Prime Ministers of India. Now the results, my friend. I have many results with me, but I will show only 3 results which I have seen and experienced from my own eyes. The first one is my friend and my sideline, Mr. Mangesh Betava. He is a businessman by background. He lost 18 kgs and 6 inches in 3 months. As of this date, he is a world team and is helping other people reach their goal. Meet my sponsor who transformed my life, Mr. Nitin Yadav. He lost a whopping of 26 kgs and 12 inches in just 6 months. He has been maintaining it since then. I saw this transformation with my own eyes. These are my pics. As you can see, I was highly obese, weighing 104 kg and a waistline of 42 inches. There was no energy level and I needed help. Herbalife came to my rescue. This is my why. Your why should be clear. Why you want to lose weight? Why you want this thing in your life? Why this job? Why this field? Why? If you know your why,